Hey Fish Stew Buddies! This is Fetter's Farmstead. My name's Tyler. We have plenty of work to do today, so let's get after it. Man, spring has sprung. It is super green around here. That rain did a number. I'm gonna have to mow for sure. It's finally not duck weather. It's downright gorgeous. Nice. Hold on, let me mix it up. Juno, relax. You guys are muddy. Juno, do not dump it. Butch, come on guys. Typical pigs. Right on that, Daddy. That good shop. Hey, chicken. Hey, chicken. There you go, buddy. Beaveroni. Hey, buddy. Oh, buddy. Don't get your muddy snoot on me, freaking pig. Get out of here. I'll twist your ear off. Muddy snooter. Black Betty, get out of here. I know you want the attention, but you just want rubbed, scratched. Oh my goodness. Black Betty. Oh, Black Betty. Bam, bam. Bam, ding, going wild. Bam, bam. Oh, I'm trying to take a break here and sit with you for a minute. Just relax and enjoy life. Steven! Black Betty, quit it. Little pig. Jenny, what are you doing? Come on, Jenny pig. Steven! Look at the horn, Stevie. Get out of here. You get my pants all dirty. Get my pants all dirty. Hey, quit eating my suspenders. Mavis. Oreo, you're so cute. You got a fuzzer on your nose. You got a fuzzer on your nose. Black Betty, you freaking pig. You're getting mud everywhere. Ain't. What do you think, guinea pig? Oh, Jenny. Oh. How'd you get so muddy, Black Betty? Man, you're filthy. Jenny. Oh, Ginger. Hey, Ginger. Don't try to bite me. Don't try to bite me. Steven! What's up, Steven? You're so cute, Steven. We had to make a batch of lotion bars because Sarah has an order. All natural avocado oil, cocoa butter, coconut oil, and carnauba wax. Look at all the lotion bars Sarah made. Oh my goodness. We made Peace and Calming, and we made lavender. Nice. Well, we didn't get a whole lot done today, but we had fun, and the weather's nice, so you can't complain about that. But, oh well. See you, love you, bye.